All right, guys, you are looking at 4 cap set, single caps, 2 top K9s, 2 bottom, and this is gold plated over solid 925 sterling silver. This is handmade work for a perfect fit. Now these have the back bars on them, so I'm going to show you the back side. See these bars as the back bar bridge connects the 2 caps together from the back side, so this is not visible from the front. Okay, but it keeps everything nice together. It is available on our website, guys, blingcartel.com. You get beautiful handmade work designed to fit perfectly. Check that out. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.